Okay, so I'm gonna make truffles today. This is a quick, easy snack that it's easy to keep the ingredients on hand and it's easy to make. So all it takes to make truffles is some kind of nut. So you could use almond meal, which I use often, or you could use whole almonds. So these are dry roasted salted almonds. You could use pistachios. You could use, these are some walnuts that I made into crispy nuts. We could use those. And believe it or not, I bought some toasted pecans, but I can't find them. So we're not gonna use those today. Okay, so you need some kind of nut. You need dates. You need cocoa powder, and you need vanilla. Those are kind of the basic ingredients, and then you can kind of do whatever you want. Sometimes I'll put in like cinnamon or some orange peel or some goji berries or some coconut, some shredded coconut, or you know, whatever. You can, you know, make them whatever you want them to be. So here's what I'm going to do today. So of course, dates. You cannot make truffles without dates. So let's put this stuff in here and watch how it goes. Okay. All right, dates are in. Well, it was probably, I would say, about 12 dates. Medjool dates. Did I already say what kind? Medjool dates. And I took the pits out, of course. I'm going to start with more like a cup of almond meal. A little less than that. So that's just to get things rolling. So let's give this a spin. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of cocoa powder. Just straight up unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll probably add more, but I'm going to start with a quarter cup. And and the vanilla. About a teaspoon or slightly less of vanilla. And we'll give it a spin. Okay, so now it looks very much like it did before, but now it has pistachio pieces in it, if you can see those guys. Okay, so let's do a little taste test. See where we're at. See if we need to add anything else. They're really good. Yeah, no, they're perfect. I could put a little more cocoa powder in, but they're good the way they are. So that's it. So my last step then is just to take these and form them into balls. Okay, like that. And that's a truffle. And I'll have a nice plate full of truffles when I'm done here, and I guarantee by the end of the day they'll be gone. But easy to make, easy to munch on, easy to keep the ingredients on hand, and easy to mix, you know, to like change up how you're doing it different ways, different times of year, doing it different ways depending on what you have or what, you know, what flavors you like, whatever. So that's truffles.